Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So news reaching us is that Very Dark Man has been arrested. Like he is missing and they don't know his whereabouts. Like at this point, they don't know where they don't carry Very Dark Man go because according to news where they reach us, be saying they can't arrest Very Dark Man for GTB Bank. So for those of us who don't know the whole story or the full story or genesis of how it takes start, a backstory on how everything take happen. So Very Dark Man make one recent video on how in dey call out GT Bank say why they dey debit im mama like different times, say they don dey debit im mama account, say like without any explanation and no be even small small money, na big money dey debit am. So im come say make dem dey ready for am, say im dey come their bank the next day with im mama. Na wetin im talk for that very video. So now as the next day come reach, na im Very Dark Man come post for im social media platform say him and im mama don dey GT Bank like this now, and they don go meet the person wey be say dey at ten d to them, for them to fit get the account statement, like the statement of those debits, make dem know wetin make them, because those people dey talk say wetin dey debit the woman for na because of loan repayment. And according to Very Dark Man, im say im mama no collect any loan from that bank. So wetin go even make im mama collect loan wey dey go come dey say dey debit am every like up to like 7 times. So na im dey don dey give her this debit since this year. Say they wan know which debit and which loan wey be say she collect for their hand, and since when wey be say they don dey start dey debit her, wey be say she no even know until this of recent before recently wey be say she come take find out. So as im make that post wey be say im post picture of im mama wey be say dem dey the bank and all those write up, before we know, few hours later Very Dark Man brother come make one particular video, come dey talk say Very Dark Man just make a post say him and im mama dey for bank. So now e never too tey we say Very Dark Man make that video, na im mama come call, that is Very Dark Man mama come call im brother, that is Very Dark Man brother, dey cry for phone, dey tell am say they don come arrest Very Dark Man oo, say they don arrest im brother, say she no know wetin she go do, say they no only arrest am, say they arrest am, they come dey beat am again. So the news wey dey reach us be say as Very Dark Man dey that bank, be like say na when im wan comot, that you know that entrance, that thing wey you go use take enter, you go press that button if you wan enter bank. When you press that button, you go come enter, the thing go come close, then the thing go come carry you enter the other place. That particular thing, you know say e get remote control, be say dey fit control am, wey be say anybody wey dey inside that place, dey fit lock that person for that place for a certain period of time. Yes, so dey control that thing. So immediately wey be say Very Dark Man enter that place wey be say im wan take comot for the bank, before you know, they come lock am for inside that place. Allegedly, na wetin we dey hear, as dem lock am for inside that place for like up to 5 to 10 minutes, before you know, police come. They know as they come, as im dey come outside, they open the thing for am make im come outside, they come arrest am. They no only arrest am, dem cover im face. Una go see something like wetin I dey talk for this video. Dem cover im face, as dem cover im face finish, na im dey come start to dey beat am. Dey beat am seriously before they come carry am comot. Na im another source come dey tell us say those people no be police officers, say those people are not just ordinary police officers, say na EFCC na im come carry Very Dark Man. So now we dey hear say allegedly say GT Bank na im call EFCC for Very Dark Man for this matter. So now Very Dark Man brother come dey lament say wetin Very Dark Man don ever do to Nigerians or people for them to fit treat im brother like that, because say na about now be say Very Dark Man now come be activist to speak on behalf of people wey no get mouth to talk, people wey no get the platform to talk, people wey be say like I no even just know. Because the guy was really lamenting, the guy was not happy at all. You know, say you know wetin dem do am, say make EFCC tell them where Very Dark Man dey, because at this point they don check all the EFCC office, e be like something like that, say they don't see am, like they never know the whereabout of Very Dark Man. Another guy again come outside, another social media personality come outside, come dey call out EFCC on behalf of Very Dark Man, say make dem release Very Dark Man, say dem know say na EFCC carry Very Dark Man, say im no do anything bad to follow im mama go that bank to go like fight for im mama right. Obviously na normal thing be say every normal Nigerian go fit do or suppose do. So why e come be say e come reach Very Dark Man town now, because they wan Very Dark Man wan expose them for the debit to be say they don dey debit your mama or whatever. Den dey find out the source very small of how dey take dey comot the woman money for her account. Now dey don come say make dem use EFCC threa ten am or carry am, say its no fair, say e no dey fair, say im go call out dat particular guy talk say im go call out GTB, im go call out EFCC, say make dem tell dem where very dark man dey. Na im lawyer sef come outside come talk say at dis point say they are working towards finding very dark man, say dey like they are trying their very best to find out say to make sure say very dark man come outside for whether na EFCC custody or police custody. And I'm not like, what is happening in this in short I no even just know, because me I just dey scared for very dark man, because the thing dey very scary. How you wan arrest person, you no only arrest am, you first cover im face or you blindfold am anyone, come dey beat am again, come carry am comot. Like that thing just sound suspicious. E sound like wetin in short I no even just wan speak am for this platform make e no even go bring me one kind of I no even just know. But e sound scary. No be that kind, that no be ordinary kind of arrest. So like I no even just understand, I no just understand guys, like na bad thing wey very dark man do guys, na bad thing. Even the guy come dey talk say im dey blame very dark man, say very dark man for no make am public, im for no announce am for the whole social media say im dey go bank the next day. Im come still reach the bank come still dey talk am say very dark man could have just left everything on a low, so when im don do everything finish im go come put am for social media out there. But me on another thought I come dey reason say e good as very dark man put am for there for social media, make everybody, make the whole Nigerians know say na that bank na im go with im mama and say im don already dey there. Because if to say very dark man no put am for that social media platform say im don go the bank already and im dey there, and EFCC now or those people now come carry am now and everybody now come dey find am, like we for no even know who even dey behind am, or we for no even know if actually na EFCC or na police carry am. Like they fit even maybe I don't know, anybody fit deny say nobody, even if dem even call dem out, anybody fit deny say no be dem, whether police, whether EFCC, whether the GT bank. They fit even talk say they no even see very dark man for their bank that day. So it's good as, or e dey very good as very dark man make in this thing location known to people, to say at least some, like say even like say very dark man even know say something like this go happen, wey make am post that thing. So e definitely im go don know, im mind go don tell am wey make am post that thing for the whole world to see and to know say yes o, of a truth na GBT abi na GTB bank na im go. But abeg, without any too much talk, from my own point of view I just feel like say this thing no dey right, this is inhuman. Like very dark man na human being, im dey fight for a lot of people, im dey fight for any injustice wey dey happen for Nigeria. So very dark man does not deserve this thing. For the fact sef say na im mama and again say that normal thing say like he's just fighting for the right cause. Abeg, that's just my own point of view guys. Make una tell me wetin una think about this very dark man arrest wey dey very scary, and I will try my possible best to reply every single one of your comments guys. Keep them coming. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like wetin we dey do for this channel. And if you don't subscribe, thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to put on your post notification, and I go see una for my next video. Bye.